In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly navigate between manage.wix.com and editor.wix.com to set up your website's domain. Whether you're new to Wix or just need a little extra guidance, this step-by-step walkthrough will make the process a breeze. First things first, you'll want to head over to the setup page on wix.com. This is where all the magic begins. If you're not already logged into your Wix account, go ahead and do that. Once you're in, you'll be presented with a range of options for your site. The setup page is your hub for managing your site's overall settings, so it's a good idea to familiarize yourself with what's available here. Now that you're on the setup page, the next step is to connect your domain. This is a crucial step because having your own domain not only makes your site look more professional, but also helps visitors find you more easily online. So go ahead and click on Connect Your Domain. If you're using Wix for the first time, or if you've just created a new site, you might see a prompt encouraging you to do this. Connecting your domain is straightforward, just follow the prompts and Wix will guide you through the steps needed. After clicking to connect your domain, you'll need to choose your ending URL. This is essentially the web address people will type in to visit your site, so think carefully about your choice. You want something that reflects your brand or business and is easy to remember. For example, if your business is called The Art Studio, you might choose thartstudio.com. Once you've made your decision, confirm it in the settings. With your domain in place, it's time to finalize your setup. You'll see a button labeled Let's Go, which will take you through the final steps of the setup process. Clicking this will help you ensure that your domain is fully connected and active. Having your domain fully operational is essential to make your site publicly visible and to begin sharing it with your audience. Throughout this process, remember that Wix has a wealth of support options available if you hit any snags. From FAQs to contact forms, you can access help anytime. It's also useful to explore the additional tools and functionalities that Wix offers, which can enhance your site's appearance and performance even further. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll have your Wix domain up and running in no time, giving you a professional presence on the web. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial, and I hope to see you again for more helpful tips and guides.